This conference will now be recorded.
Open your Tally. Class, before I forget, tomorrow you will not have your class. You'll have your class on Monday. You can see the Tally screen.
Not yet, ma'am. And now we can see.
I'm clearly audible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the GST portal. So it takes you to the GST portal directly. Okay, where I mean you can go directly through Google as well, but for the website. Here you need to give up your username and a password. Yours means a GST number holder. So who has a GSTIN. What happens is you will get this username and password in your email address, and then you log in for the first time. Then you change your password as you do for other things. You have your oh, my portal is not seen. Tell me, no class.
No, ma'am.
Uh, I'm explaining and now
No, ma'am.
No, now we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
you can see.
Yes.
Okay. So here, as I was telling you, this username and password is given by the GST through mail, and then you can you need to do this here. So only when you have GSTIN, then you can register. You can pay GST through this. Everything is possible. Okay, so it shows you each one. You have a link. It can just take you to that particulars, and then see now, for example, Each one has a different link. It takes you to one of the next tab. Okay. So what you need to do is, this is one tab, close. Again, you can go to the downloads. So it shows you the offline tools. Offline tools are used, like for example, to put all your details of GSTR 1, 2, and all your returns. So what they are, so you get a form like this. For example, everybody won't use Tally, but everybody needs to put put their details in the GST. So this is how you can do. Okay, go to the offline. So here you will have the templates. Templates in case what kind of data to be put in that particular. One second. Are you able to see? See, this is how you need to put, like in case you're not using, for example, when you export your GST reports to Excel. So this is the format. Same way, this particular format only, even though you're using Excel, you're using Tally or you're not using Tally. This is the format you must be using. Okay, same way you can download all the other forms, whichever is required. Search the tax. If you know the GSTINs, then you can search through that, like whether it's a real number or whether they are really um, registered with GST or not. Okay. So other help and the taxpayer facilities. What all facilities are there? What are all the details which is required for the GST portal? So you can read them before you um, try, before you file. This is how a invoice should be. Okay, all the updated versions, latest this, everything will be seen. These are the details and the last date, okay, to file. 3B means returns. See, to register now, what you need to do, okay. Everyone go to the portal, just try, do not edit anything, but just go to the portal and see, take a view, take all the details view. Just go through this, GSTR 3, GSTR 4, 5, 6. Take this address, tallysolutions.com/GST/types of GST returns. I repeat the address tallysolutions.com/gst/type hyphen off hyphen gst hyphen written slash. So these are basically all for the different type of returns. Yes, class. Done. We'll go for the once one GST offline tool is downloaded means like GSTR1 or GSTR2. Later you have all the options in that one Excel sheet only. So you can see here B2B, all your expenses can be done, all your adjustments can be put, all the HSN codes are being given, all the required documents can be seen. Okay, everything can be edited here, like if you want each one of them to do. So in Tally, you don't have to do all these because automatically, however you put your invoices, that takes. So when you export this particular sheet, automatically comes with you. But when you don't have Tally, then you have to do some editing. In this each one go like edit the name, invoice number, invoice, HSN code, product, all the details. But when you have Tally, you don't have to do all these things. GST reports, step one, control plus E. Twice it will be seen to be uploaded. Like if you have uploaded that, it will show that you have uploaded. If not, no. So nothing is to be uploaded because there's no vouchers here apart from the rated. So actually text how much it is there. Okay. All the different views will be shown. Any adjustments you need to make. GST annual computation. How it is being made, what all it is included, what is the amount, what is the tax amount, how much is central tax, integrated tax, state tax. So all these are seen here. So what all limits of measures you have. So any parties, any particular name you want to update their your, you can just with them. I don't have here any credit colors for ABC. Okay. eBay bill is like the e-sugam where all your details regarding the um, all your details regarding the invoice, the way of transportation, destination, will everything will be recorded in this eBay bill. Okay, before you had something called e-sugam, so about 20,000 you had to record that in the e-sugam. Same way it is. See, this is the data. I mean, how like when it must be like when once you have done a e-way bill, you take two copies. Okay, one copy will be with you, and one copy will be sent with the destiny. I mean, with the like the vehicle. So when it reaches that particular supplier or what he must do is, I mean that particular customer, what he must do is he must also enter that in the e-way bill, his invoice in the e-way bill if it is more than 50,000. Okay. So for that, there are some specifications. Like there are some validation period for the e-way bill. Like if I do it today, if it is within 100 kilometers, today only it must go and reach, and then it must he must upload. If not, then I need to create one more bill that will not be valid. Okay, so this is the kilometers, like number of kilometers and number of days, maximum number of kilometers and maximum number of days by which that must be reached to that particular thing. read them. You don't have to take anything. Just read. One second, I'll open the website. Go to this website now. See. Did you all go through? Here also you must log in. Okay, same user ID, and then you can um, give the e-way bill. Class, were you able to do the shifting of ledgers? One of the lady had asked me about something that she was not able to. Can you please ask me now? She was not getting IGST or something. Class, I'm audible. Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
One lady had asked me doubt about um, some supplier or data she was not getting.
Supply of services, ma'am.
You only asked me today morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. What was that? You got it?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm not getting the advertising services. I have shared you the exercise problem.
Hmm.
I don't know where I'm
No,
going wrong.
you should have sent me your a photograph of what you were getting.
Fine, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay. So everywhere there is something called, like, if you're doing something, if you're working and you want that, for example, you keep all your photos, your videos in the hard disk so that you do not lose them. Correct. So in the same way, what we do is we can have a backup of our tally companies, and you can take the path and put that in any other tally software and you can start working, or you can take backup for your convenience, like anything happens for the system, you will have your all the vouchers intact. Okay. Do alt y, or beside company you have something called data. In that you have backup. Click on backup. So I need to take the backup of class 3 to 430 GST. And see, you can select number of companies you want to. So I'll select these two. Okay. And end of the list. See, this is in C path. Okay. C drive. Where is it taking the destination part to D drive? So you must know in the drives where exactly the backup is being taken. End of the list. Override backup files. Yes, no. That's all. So there is a backup. Maybe this company gets deleted. Okay. So you can take that back again. Alt Y or data. Go to restore. So to the right, what you can see is these were the companies that you had taken a backup of. So whenever you want to restore the companies, you can just restore them. I'll restore. Already exist because it was not deleted, it was already there. That is the reason it is showing. It will overwrite. If you say yes, let that overwrite. Anyhow, I have not done changes here or there, so that does not matter even if it's overrides. But in case if you already have and you have taken a backup for this week, maybe this Friday, so next Friday again, what you'll do is you'll restore. But the whole week, Monday to Friday, you would have put vouchers in them. So if you overwrite, what happens? What today you had taken the company, that only comes. Okay, so at that time you don't overwrite the companies. It will just restart. Try everyone. So it restarted everyone. You got it? Okay. What did you do, Alicia?
I didn't change the goods to services.
Okay. That's how by practice only you will get to know even your errors, like what error you have done and how you can rectify your errors. That's all through your practice. Backup and restore, write down. It is used to take a backup. It is used to take a backup of your company's data in different folder, comma drive or external devices. It is used to restore. It is used to restore the data from the backup files to its primary location.